Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious carne con chile and sopa de fideo. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. So we're going to begin by making our salsa. I'm going to be roasting my jalapeno and chile serranos. Depending on how spicy you want your salsa, it depends on how many chiles you're going to be using. Along with that, we're going to roast a quarter of an onion. And at the same time, we're going to bring to a boil 3 tomatoes and 2 tomatillos. Okay, so once our onion and chiles are nice and charred, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. And once our tomatoes come to a boil, we're going to transfer them as well. Okay, so now we can make our salsa. Okay, to our blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, beef bouillon, and we're going to blend with 2.5 cups of water. So blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have our salsa, we're going to set it to the side so we can get our meat ready. Okay, so I already have my 2 pounds of beef steak chopped into bite-sized pieces. I'm using flank steak, but of course you can use your favorite cut of meat. And I'm just going to season with season all. A little bit of cumin, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're just going to mix it and make sure that the meat is nice and coated. Okay, and once ready, we can begin cooking. Okay, to our pan, we're going to add oil, set it on medium-high heat. And once hot, we're going to throw in our meat. And we're just going to allow it to brown. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to be adding 3 medium-sized potatoes, along with half an onion. And I'm just going to season with salt and black pepper. We're going to mix it and give it 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add our salsa. And make sure that the meat and the potatoes are covered with it. So I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Mix well. And bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. So now we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook between 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and soft. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we're going to check on our potatoes. Let me tell you that it smells delicious. So just poke it and they are done. So now we're just going to cover it, set it to the side so we can make our fideo. To make the broth for our fideos, we're going to add 3 tomatoes to our blender cup, along with 1/4 of an onion, 2 chicken bouillon, 2 tomato bouillon, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 can of El Pato tomato sauce. And we're going to blend with 4 cups of water, or you can use chicken broth. So now we're just going to blend until smooth. Okay, and once done, we can make our fideo. We're going to grab our pot, set it on medium-high heat. We're going to cover the bottom with oil. And we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay, so once hot, we're going to add 7 ounces of fideo pasta. And we're going to be frying for about 5 minutes or until all of our pasta is nice and golden. Okay, so once our fideo has changed color, we're going to add our tomato broth. I'm going to be adding about 2 more cups of water. And here I'm going to be adding my salt. I'm just going to allow it to simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. For me, it's perfect. And of course, if you want your sopita to be more brothy, then add more water. But now we're just going to add our handful of cilantro. We're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Cover it and allow it to cook between 10 to 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 15 minutes, our sopita should be done. So as you can see, it has doubled in size. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So we're going to scoop our meat and papas. And just place them on top of your fideos. Going to squeeze our lime juice. A little bit of chopped cilantro, queso fresco, and I'm going to serve it with some tacos de nada, like literally nada. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this combination right here is a staple to every Mexican household. I hope you enjoy it just as much as we do. It's seriously super easy, and the best thing you could do is just cook both at the same time. So like that, you know, it's just both of them are done at the same time. But I am so ready. This is the time for some sopita. So cheers and enjoy. It's the best combination. It's so good, and it's not spicy. You know, this one everybody gets to enjoy it. You can make it more spicy by adding more chile serrano or throw habanero in there, but for me this is so good. You get to enjoy every single bite. It's so delicious. The combination of the sopita and the carne is just the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious carne con chile and sopa de fideo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recommend this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.